My name is Stacy with DJ Products, and we make equipment that moves big, heavy stuff, such as dumpsters. In just one moment, I'm going to show you how to efficiently move your dumpsters without the risk of injury to employees or damage to properties. At DJ Products, we've been engineering solutions for getting big, heavy stuff from point A to point B for 22 years across a variety of industries. Moving a dumpster in and out of the trash room is one of the most dangerous jobs to do in an apartment complex and could end up costing you tons in injury claims. And because it takes 2 or 3 employees to move a dumpster by hand, you might have half your maintenance staff tied up with trash duty several hours a week. You need to move dumpsters, 2 or 3 times a week? And every trip is a potential injury claim for one of those employees. And that's just for one building. If you have more than one building, the risk is compounded. The average cost of a single trash room injury is more than $40,000. So why take any more chances moving dumpsters by hand when there's WasteCaddy, the battery-powered dumpster mover? WasteCaddy effortlessly pulls full dumpsters up to 5,000 pounds, up or down inclines, and can handle wet or even icy conditions. And it only takes one person of any size to use it. You may be thinking, my building already has plenty of ways of costing me money, so why am I going to buy some basement gadget I'm never going to see? Well, that's exactly why you should have a WasteCaddy in your basement, to quietly combat future expenses and to preempt the possibility of a costly injury so that you can spend your budget on the myriad of other expenses that come with owning an apartment building. Think of it this way, that WasteCaddy in your basement is a guardian, a silent insurance policy that is protecting your employees from harm while saving you thousands of dollars. I'd like to introduce you to our Try Before You Buy program. It's a great program to take advantage of, as there is no obligation to buy. Remember, WasteCaddy pulls dumpsters up and down inclines. It works in bad weather, and it only takes one person to operate. And it's a lot cheaper than a $40,000 injury claim. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.